A guy in a small town outside Cologne, Germany made $602,000 last year, alone. No team, no funding, no office. He built 4 apps. 3 of them made almost nothing. 1. A boring habit tracker with a grid that looks like GitHub did all the work. $28,000 a month recurring, from 25,000 people paying $1 to $2 each. That's the real story of solo apps in 2026. It's not about building 10 things and hoping one hits. It's about understanding why the one thing works. And this video is going to show you exactly how to find that thing, build it fast, and actually get paid for it. Let's go. Section 1. The 2026 Reality Check. Before the tactics, let's kill 3 myths. Myth 1. I need a unique idea. No, the habit tracker guy didn't invent habit tracking. He copied a visual pattern from GitHub that millions of developers already understood. Boring and familiar converts better than clever and confusing. Myth 2. Solo means small money. Also false. Across thousands of tracked solo SaaS products, the median sits around $1,000, $8,000 MRR, but the top 10% clear $30,000 plus a month. And that's usually one person, one laptop, and a Stripe account. Myth 3. AI means everyone's building the same 5 apps. Partly true. That's exactly why distribution matters more than the build now. Building got easy. Getting seen didn't. So here's the mental model for the rest of this video. Build small, sell to a specific person, and treat marketing as part of the product, not something you bolt on after. Section 2. Finding an idea that won't waste your time. Skip the whiteboard brainstorm. Go hunting for complaints instead. 3 places to look. Reddit and niche subreddits. Search, I hate. Why is there no? I built a spreadsheet. 2. That's a person doing something manually who would pay to stop. Existing tools with angry reviews, 1-star reviews on G2, Capterra, or the App Store tell you exactly what to build instead. A $30 marketing tool with a 5-star feature set and a 2-star support team is your opening. Your own workflow, the tool you already hacked together for yourself, is often the most validated idea you have, because you're user number 1. The winning shape in 2026 isn't a Jira competitor. It's the 20% slice of a horizontal tool that one specific industry actually uses, rebuilt simpler and priced lower. Freelancer client portals, niche compliance checklists, single-feature dev tools. These sound unglamorous. That's the point. Unglamorous ideas have less competition and clearer buyers. Validate before you write a line of code. Landing page, 1 sentence of value, 1 price. Get to 20 email signups or pre-orders. Do 10 to 15 short chats with people who signed up. If you can't get 20 people to raise a hand, the idea isn't ready. That's not failure, that's a free lesson. If this was useful, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Global Income Hub. Next part of video, I'm breaking down step by step